Wildcats, and welcome to Monday, January 11th, 2021. Today, I have two pledgers beneath this classroom, and their names are Isabella and Alejandro. Will you please stand and join us as we do our Pledge of Allegiance? Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
And to the republic for you stand, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty.
And now for our Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? All right, you may be seated. At this time, we'll go ahead and do our Monday mindfulness moment. So go ahead and get comfortable in your seat. If you can, have your feet touch the ground. If not, that's okay. Get as comfortable as you can. Put your hands on your legs. All right, close your eyes if you like, or you can keep them open. And then we're going to go ahead and take in a deep breath from our mouths, and then we're going to release it from our nose. So let's go ahead and do that. Take in your deep breath. And let it go. And then let's do one more. And let it go. Good. And on this last one, I want you to think of something you want to accomplish today. Something you want to get done and do very, very well. So close your eyes. Think about that thing you want to finish, complete, and do well. Take in your deep breath. And release. All right, let's get you started for Monday. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, tell someone. Find the trusted adults in your life and let them know how you feel. We do have a couple of birthdays today. Happy birthday to Catalina E. in 4th grade and Melina R. in pre-K. We also have one celebrity birthday. Happy birthday to Mrs. Arvina in pre-K. If you see her today, make sure you wish her a very, very happy birthday. We have a couple of announcements. The Math RTI Winter Screener starts today, so see Ms. Castro and Mrs. Damota for that. That is all we have for today. Our character education theme for the month of January is Perseverance and Courage. Nelson Mandela, the great African anti-apartheid leader, is quoted as saying this about perseverance. It always seems impossible until it is done. So something may seem like you can't reach it, but once you do it, it's not impossible anymore. All right. So something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope you choose to make it a magnificent Monday.